This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing data and credentials so the reset doesn't cost you time later. Backup documents, game saves, and configs to an external drive or cloud. That preserves progress. Next, gather licenses and account info and export two-factor recovery codes where applicable, because you will need them after reinstall. Once done, plug the PC into a UPS or a stable outlet and connect Ethernet. This avoids interruptions and speeds downloads. Now proceed to the System Reset interface. You now walk through the reset options and choose what you want removed or kept. Open Settings, go to Recovery and select Reset this PC. Pick Remove Everything for a clean slate or Keep My Files if you want personal data preserved. Decide Cloud Download to fetch the newest Windows image versus Local Reinstall to save bandwidth. Make sure to disconnect extra drives, and if you use RAID or Dual Boot, document layouts first. That prevents wiping the wrong volume during the process. You finish by completing out-of-box setup, reinstalling drivers and updating Windows to current patches. Install GPU drivers, platform clients, and your key utilities, then restore game saves and configs. Launch each game and verify integrity of files. Make sure Windows Update and device drivers are current, then adjust preferences and power settings. If anything goes wrong, try booting to safe mode or use a recovery USB. Also check storage health and BIOS settings. These often reveal why a reset didn't complete successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.